Hello guys and welcome back to another RobotC tutorial. Today we are learning how to incorporate a bump switch sensor to the motor code done prior. So that would be tutorial number 3. So let's get started. For our first step, we're going to open up the RobotC code from tutorial number 3 dealing with the motor code. Going to open that motor tutorial 3. Okay, here we go. Under the natural language text functions, natural language, you're going to select the until option, and then you're going to select the first line of code until bump sensor port at a delayed time of milliseconds. So you're going to drag this code and make it the first line under your task main. And so then delete that space. Okay. And you're going to edit this delay time to be 1 millisecond. The ms is for milliseconds. And you can put 2, 3, however many milliseconds you wish, but I'm going to add 1 millisecond because I want my motor to start fairly quickly. After this, for our step 2, we're going to go up here onto the upper screen and we're going to select the motor and sensor setup. You're going to select the Bex Cortex digital sensors 1 through 12. And so under digital port 1, you're going to type in bump switch. Bump switch. And under sensor type, you're going to select the touch option. And so in your physical cortex, make sure that the bump switch is plugged into digital port 1 on the left side of the cortex. After doing this, you're going to select apply, and then OK. And now for step 3, you're going to notice at the top of your code, on line 1, it will acknowledge the bump switch function, bump switch sensor touch. So you're now going to scroll down to name the sensor ports right here. And you're going to call it bump switch. Bump switch. And so until bump switch is called, after 1 millisecond, the motor will start. Left motor at this speed. Then it'll wait for 5 seconds and then it'll stop the left motor. Now you're going to select the save option. Save. After this, you're going to compile your program to make sure that you've got the right coding done. And so it's ready. When you make sure that your code is correct after selecting the compile program, you're going to name your file and name it bumpswitch underscore tutorial 4 for me. And I'm going to save it on my desktop. So click to save. Do I want to replace it? Yes, I want to replace it. And so we select the save option again. Make sure that you've saved. And then we're going to select the download to robot option at the top of your screen. And so you would have a robot attached to the PC, connected to the PC. And so in this case, I don't, but then this is the final step that you would take. It's to download this function onto your robot. And thank you very much for listening to this tutorial. See you on the next one.